Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the GIGABYTE Gaming A16, a performance-focused laptop that instantly makes gaming feel smooth and effortless. Under the hood, it's powered by an Intel Core i7 13620H, backed by 32 gigabytes of DDR, 5 RAM, and a fast 1 terabyte PCIe Gen 4 SSD. That means quick boot times, near-instant game launches, and seamless multitasking. Pair that with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070, and you can push modern titles on high or ultra settings while keeping frame rates stable and responsive. The 16-inch WUXGA display runs at 165 Hz with a 16:10 aspect ratio, giving you smoother motion and extra vertical space for productivity. Whether you're deep in a competitive match or editing content, everything looks fluid and sharp. I also like the practical design. The keyboard has a comfortable, responsive feel. The 180-degree hinge adds flexibility, and Dolby Atmos audio makes games and movies more immersive. Now, at around 4.9 pounds, it's not the lightest laptop out there, but considering the power packed inside, that trade-off makes sense. If you want a laptop that handles serious gaming and everyday work without slowing down, the GIGABYTE Gaming A16 is a strong all-around choice.